Move the 0° position where the cursor paper is to the infrared light position. Click to enter set interface. Operate as shown on the screen. Click Save. Back to measurement interface. Press the Start button. The workpiece starts to run and the system starts to measure. Measurement completed. Workpiece stops running. Positioning angle. It can be seen that the 0° position is directly below the tool, then the positioning compensation is finished. If the 0° position is not directly above when the workpiece stops, you need to continue to compensate. Click to enter the positioning interface. Adjust the angle difference of compensation until the positioning compensation is successful. Click Save. Back to measurement interface. Positioning compensation completed.